Hi guys, I'm Michael Simeon from BSB Marketing, and my topic is all about customer service. Customer service is the sum of all interaction between a business and its shopper. It is not just about being polite, but it is also a strategic function designed to build loyalty. So, kapag sinabi nating interaction guys, it means kung meron kang business, nakikipag-socialize ka sa customer mo para mas mapanatili mo yung customer. So it increase the average transaction value and differentiate a brand from its competitor. So kapag nangyari na yun guys, yung customer mo magpabalik-balik na yun, kaya nagkakaroon ng increase sa average transaction value. In a competitive market, especially in the Filipino retail landscape, where personal relationship or the SOKI loyal customer are vital, excellent service is often primary reason a customer chooses one store over another. So kapag yung customers guys ginanahan or nagkaroon ng relationship about sa business mo, syempre mas pipiliin niya bumili sa'yo kaysa sa mga competitor mo. Yun lang guys. Then the key pillars of retail customer service. So the first one is the product knowledge. So what is product knowledge? Staff must be expert on the features, benefits, and location of product. Why it matters? Customers today often do research online before entering a store. They expect staff to provide value add information that they can find on a label. So sa madaling sabi guys, kailangan yung staff or yung kapag meron kang business, yung staff mo dapat yun sila ay knowledgeable about kung ano yung binibenta nyo, upang magkaroon kayo kapag tinatanong kayo ng customer, magkaroon kayo ng ideya kung ano yung binibenta nyo. So si customer magkakaroon ng ideya kung ano yung binibili niya, or binibigyan mo ng information si customer about kung ano yung binibili niya. So for example, sa Jollibee guys, kapag si customer nagtatanong ano yung masarap at affordable sa Jollibee, so si crew or the staff ay sasagutin kung ano yung tinatanong niya, para si customer magkaroon ng ideya kung ano yun at siya ay bibili. So the second is responsive and speed. This involves minimizing wait time and checkout, responding quickly to inquiries and handling complaints efficiently. Management tip: use data to schedule more staff during peak hours like weekends or payday sales to ensure service levels don't drop when the store is busy. So sa madaling sabi guys, responsiveness and speed. So kapag si customer, for example nito, ay nag-order sa'yo, tapos meron siyang gustong idagdag or idagdag sa picture sa binibenta mo, or may mga complaints siya, kailangan masagot mo agad, kasi doon nagkakaroon yung customer ng interest or nabibigyan sila ng halaga para sila ay bumalik sa pagbili sa'yo. So personalization. What is personalization? Recognizing repeat customer or offering recommendation based on previous purchases in practice. This could range from a simple greeting to sophisticated loyalty programs that offers birthday discount or exclusive preview of new arrivals. So personalization guys, it's about yung pabalik-balik na customer mo. Syempre, meron ka ng ideya kung ano yung gusto niyang bilhin, or binibigyan mo siya ng information kung meron bang bago na binibenta nyo, para si customers guys magkaroon siya ng interest or mas mapalalim ang relationship nyo or your social interaction between your business and the customer. So post-purchase support. What is post-purchase support? service. It doesn't end at the cash register. It includes easy return warranties and following up on deliveries. Why it matters? High quality after sales service reduce buyers remorse and ensure the customer returns for this next purchase. The service profit chain. Retail manager open view customer service through the lens of the service profit chain. Internal service quality. Ay, stop muna. So sa post-purchase support guys, sa madaling sabi guys, kapag binili na ni customer yung produkto na gusto niyang bilhin, ay hindi pa nag-e-end yung social interaction nyo or your customer service about the customer, because maaring si customer ay bumalik sa iyo at magsabi na ay hindi ko ito gusto, pwede bang ibalik, or makapag-provide ka or magkaroon si customer ng seguridad sa kanyang binili sa iyo. So, the service profit chain. Retail manager open view customer service through the lens of the service profit chain. Internal service quality, well-trained and satisfied employees. So sa internal, it's about employees na guys. Kailangan well-trained sila at alam nila kung ano yung binibenta nila or kung ano yung provide nila sa customer. External service value. Employees provide great service to customer. So sa external naman guys, kailangan, for example sa Jollibee, kailangan maganda yung pakikitungo ng staff sa customer, kasi sila yung pundasyon ng business.